Perfect. Nobody saw that. Wait, is that money? Mine now.
You've got... There's something in your hair.
What are you looking at?
No, seriously, right there.
Just say what you want.
Can you bend a little?
Why?
I'm trying to help.
This is getting weird.
I'm not being weird, the money is.
Forget it. Keep your secret.
What secret? What was that supposed to mean? What was that supposed to mean? Wait. No way. Oh my God. It was in my hair. Great. Even my hair can't keep a secret.